Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Zoe if you are new here, and today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm super excited about this. This is my first Boxycharm unboxing. I have been getting Boxycharm for a couple of months now, but this is my first official unboxing with you guys, and I'm going to be doing this every month from now on. So give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about that. So I'm going to do a try on, so I'm going to try everything on that is in the box, and I'm also going to give you guys swatches and details and let you know how much things cost and how they perform and all that jazz. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box where you get a box full of beauty products. It could be hair care, skincare, or makeup, and they all are full size, and you get 4 to 5 and sometimes 6 items in your box. Yeah, if you don't have Boxycharm, I will leave it in the description below so you can check it out. It is $21 a month, which is amazing for the items that you get, but we'll go over all of that in a second. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, join the family, help us grow, and also you can follow me on all my other social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. They will all be linked in the description below. And if you're ready to see what is in my box and the makeup look that I come up with for this month, then just keep watching. Alright, so this is the September box, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. It has a little card in here telling you guys the theme of the month. So the theme this month is wildflower, and then it gives you like a list of the prices and everything like that, and a little bit of detail on each product. The first thing I want to grab is this. This is the Alamar Cosmetics OJITOS brush set, and it comes with 3 brushes. 3 essential brushes, if you will. So it comes with a nice fluffy blending brush. It comes with a nice flat shadow brush. And then it comes with a detail brush. But they are very, very soft and so pretty. Like this part right here is rose gold, and the brush itself is like a lime green. It's very, very aesthetically pleasing and pretty. This is a really cute brush set. And these retail for $18, so not $18 each, but $18 as a set. The next thing in here is this right here. This is the Laura Geller Baked in Brighten blush in the shade Tropicuse. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I'm also extremely excited about this as well. I don't have a lot of blushes just because blush isn't like my favorite part of makeup, so I don't really have a lot. I don't really invest a lot in blushes, but this looks gorgeous. It has like this rose gold like in it. It's like the highlight in it is like a rose gold, and the base of it is like a cool toned pink. So I'm excited to see how it mixes. It also has some like darker burgundy-esque shades in it, so I'm really excited to see what this looks like on. Alright, and then another thing in the box is this right here. This is a liquid lipstick. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you how much the blush costs. The blush is $28. So the lipstick is by Hank & Henry, and it retails for $17. It's in the shade Petal Pusher. I'm going to swatch it for you guys really quickly just to show you what it looks like. It's this very pretty, like, dark dusty rose color, perfect for fall. I don't have a color like this in my collection, so I'm very excited to try this out. This is really, really pretty. All right, and then we have this right here. This is a liquid liner, and it's the BUTTERLONDON Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner, and this retails for $19. So this is just a liquid liner, except it has one of those rolly wheels on it. And yeah, I don't know how I feel about this quite yet. I'm actually really scared to try this out on my eye, but we'll see how it goes in this video. And then the last thing and biggest thing in the box this month is this palette from Pretty Vulgar. This is a newer cosmetic line. This retails for $35. It is sold at Ulta. It's called the Nightingale palette, the Nightingale eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. It has this really nice mirror on it, and then it's a very cool toned kind of palette. I don't have any cool tone palettes, so this would make a great addition to my makeup collection, even though I don't really wear cool tones too often. So there are some of the shades right here. This one is Silver Spoon. This one right here is Break Free. This one right here is I Spy. Yeah. And then this one right here is Clutch. Let me just swatch it on my hand really quickly. Ooh, yeah. That's pretty. There they are swatched just normal. Alright, so now that I have my eyes primed, I'm not going to do anything too crazy, but I am going to use all 3 brushes and only these 3 brushes to do my eye makeup. And then I'm only going to be using this palette as well. So that is it for the shadow right now. I'm going to go in with the liner. The line was really easy to draw on and it was really easy to keep it thin and straight, which, wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be, but I didn't wing it out, so I don't know if I wung it out and then brought it back in, if it would change. But I'm kind of filling it just like this, like keeping the eye simple. This will probably be like my liner that I use for when I'm just putting on lashes and not like a wing liner. All right, so I'm all done with my face makeup and throw on some lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the blush. This is the final makeup look that I came up with everything used from my Boxycharm this month. And honestly, I kind of liked everything. This lip color is so pretty. It's like a really brickish meets wine-ish kind of red color. And it's really, really pretty. The eyeshadow palette I liked a lot too. I'm actually pretty surprised that I liked this palette because I don't normally gravitate towards cool toned shadows, but the look that I came up with today is like really like pretty and easy and simple, and it's really cute, and all the shadows blended out really easily. They were pigmented, easy to use, and yeah, like the eyeshadow palette is pretty good. This blush is so pretty. Like, do you see how much it makes my skin look like it's just glowing? It's so pretty. It's my kind of tone of blush. The rose gold in it and like the burgundy in it overpower like the cool toned pink in it, so I really, really like it a lot. All right, and then the liner I liked surprisingly. I don't know how I would feel about this if I were to do a wing, but maybe I'll try. If I try, I'll let you guys know how it goes, or maybe I'll try it out in another video. But for a lash, like if you're the kind of person who likes to line your lash line before you add lashes so you can help hide the band, you would really, really, really like this because it was so easy to get such a thin, natural looking line. And I was very shocked. Again, I will keep y'all updated if I try this for a wing liner to see like if it's actually good for a wing liner, but it is really good to just line your lash line with. It was really easy to get a nice straight thin line. All right, and then last but not least, the brush set. The brush set was amazing. This shader brush worked really, really well, but honestly, I'm probably gonna make this my new cut crease brush because it's so tiny and small. And I have a shadow brush that's a lot bigger, so it covers a lot more like space on my lid. And this one took a little bit longer to build up, but honestly, this is like the perfect size for a cut crease. And this is probably what I'm gonna use this brush for now on. But I also used it on my inner corner for my inner corner highlight, and it made my inner corner highlight beam so much and so easy to apply. I really, really like this shadow brush. The detail brush, I love. I used it to smoke out my lash line and my lower lash line. So easy to use. And then the blending brush. The blending brush was so nice, super duper soft. It's just a standard blending brush, but it blended out my shadows really well. Didn't make anything patchy. It was super soft on my eye. Wasn't like hard or anything like that, and I really, really liked it. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Join our little family and help us grow, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.